Hello. Let us start this section by looking at the learning objectives. The learning objectives are as follows. Given a clinical scenario, students should be able to differentiate between the different anatomical segments of the spinal cord, the important internal structures, and their functions. Let's remember that the spinal cord has different segments from cervical all the way to the sacral aspect, and will be required to differentiate these based on the amount of gray matter that is present and the amount of white matter that is present. We'll be required to appreciate the internal structures and what could happen or what are the most likely signs and symptoms if you have a lesion in those areas. We'll also be required to identify and distinguish the different spinal meningeal coverings. Remember, the brain and indeed the spinal cord is covered by three meningeal layers, from outer to inner, being the dura, the arachnoid, and the innermost pia mater. So we'll be responsible to identify these from inner to outer and from the outer to the inner aspect.